Okay, so I want you to look at the total momentum that is in a collision through a simulation that I found. So there will be two scenarios. Um, each of them will have different ways or different mass or different velocity that the cars are gonna collide into each other. And if you click in this link, it's going to take you to this page looking like this. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see this interaction or interactive simulation. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see everything. Okay, so this shows you two carts and you can set the velocity that the cars are traveling at, and you can set the mass of the carts. And when you click start, whoops, let's reset. When you click start, it's going to show you how your carts are going to collide with each other given the values that you've set them at. So this is the reset button on the left hand side, and this is a start and get them to collide. You can adjust the velocity by clicking these arrows and clicking, and also adjust the mass by clicking at the bottom. So these will go up to 3 kg. And following the instruction, these are the values or these are the variables that I want you to be able to set. Bear in mind that this one right here is a negative number, all right? So in this scenario, and usually in most scenarios, whenever we have a positive number, that means the car is traveling towards the right-hand side. If you have a negative number, it means that it's traveling towards the left. It's just like a little scale of number. You have 0 in the middle, and on the right is positive, on the left is negative. So imagine that. And what I want you to do is now go and set these numbers to the correct values and then run it. And I want you to collect data and do a little bit of calculation and complete these right here. All right, do exactly the same thing for scenario 2. And then after you've collected your data and do your calculation and analysis, I want you to compare your results with each other and between scenario 1 and 2 and make a claim about the total momentum in a collision. So this is really the box that you'll be interested in. Compare your total momentum before and after collision for both scenario 1 and 2. And then make a claim and say some observations about it, and then state the evidence, which should be your calculation basically, and how does your evidence support your claim, all right? And complete it only up to the CR. Miss Lee or Miss Pradini is going to bring you back into the main session after this, and we'll have a little discussion before moving on.